your 11 InstaWeather Plus forecast with meteorologist Ava Marie.
Well, here's a look at the places that have been experiencing some flooding. Areas in the brighter green that you see, including within the Beltway of Baltimore, down 95 town towards D.C. So the flood warning continues until 2 o'clock this afternoon. After that, the rain should be tapering enough to allow that water to recede. We still have the metro under a flood watch, and this also extends back through Westminster into Frederick as well. That goes until 11 o'clock tonight because this water and the snow melt and the ice melt all has to go somewhere, and it could still be causing some rising water in the creeks and streams, at least through tonight. We'll have to watch if that lingers any longer than that. Heavy rain is still ongoing right now in Harford County, coming through Bel Air and Edgewood, slowly drifting up to the north and east, getting into Havertide Grays. These downpours will still be pushing through areas like Elkton and Rising Sun over the lunch hour, but it's really starting to back off around Baltimore. At least you can just see some light showers now left over from Baltimore back towards the Virginia line. So this is what we'll be dealing with in the next couple of hours, much more manageable as far as visibility goes on the roadways, and these should be completely out of here by about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Temperatures right now at the warmest they'll be all day, close to 50 right now in the city and also near BWI, 49 Annapolis and Westminster at 45 degrees. Cooler air is actually already coming in behind these rain showers. So through the evening, we'll fall back through the 40s, breezy winds kicking up out of the southwest. By 6 p.m. down to 45 degrees, and at 9 p.m. we're down to 41. Keep in mind that breeze from the southwest, maybe some gusts over 20 miles per hour, that could add a chill. You'll certainly want the warmer jackets as you head out this evening. Overnight, we fall below freezing once again, but we have a few hours to dry out. I'm hoping that gives us a chance to clear out some of the rain. Therefore, we won't see as many icy spots tomorrow morning. We'll certainly be tracking that in your morning commute and also for the weather forecast. Tonight, though, many areas will drop below freezing once again. We look at the futurecast and the rain showers are clearing out to the east. We may see a break of sunshine before the sun sets at 5 p.m. and then we'll see a partly cloudy skies into the overnight hours. It's western Maryland that could see some lingering snow showers, especially the case as we go into later Wednesday. That's when more snow showers could coat the ground in areas like Oakland. We could see a lingering flurry even down towards Baltimore. As we look at your 7-day forecast, a little bit quieter weather over the next couple of days. We certainly have earned it. The temperatures again, though, close to freezing overnight, which could mean just a few icy spots if there's any ponding on the roadways. Then we warm up to the mid-40s tomorrow. We're mostly dry on Wednesday, but it's late in the day. We could see some isolated flurries. Sunshine on Thursday, a cooler day at 39 degrees, 45 then on Friday with partly cloudy skies. For now, we're looking at relatively quiet conditions for the weekend, although there's a slight chance for showers on Saturday. We'll see if that trends upwards, but we're definitely looking forward to warmer weather. Unlike last weekend where we barely wanted to leave the house, this weekend at least warming into the 50s.